On 14th July 2023, the Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association Nehuta had organized a peace march for Manipur. The march, that had started from the central library of the university premises, aims to send a message of peace and harmony in the violence-hit state of Manipur. The march was also attended by teachers, students, and members of the public.
Object task of the government is to look after the internally displaced people, and the second thing is the actors, whether it is from the state or from the national level, who are acting secretly, inciting, instigating the communities, they should stop immediately. Then the third one, to mitigate the violence, or long-term arrangement has to be made. That is the fundamental aspiration, aims, the goals, and the needs should be arranged based on equity. Whatever is there based on injustice, that has to be corrected. Without that, persistent from time to time, violence will be perpetuated. So the community's basic concern has to be addressed for the long-term peaceful coexistence.
The situation in Manipur is very, very volatile even now. We are deeply perturbed at the situation of a large number of people internally displaced, and no proper relief and rehabilitation work is done so far. The relief committee is not all inclusive. We want every tribe, every community to be included in the relief committee. Medical supplies are to be regularized in nook and corner of Manipur. Relief material, food material, medicine must flow smoothly across Manipur at this point of time. It's a grave humanitarian crisis. As far as political issues are concerned, these issues are to be sorted out across the table, and Government of India should appoint an interlocutor who can bring conflicting parties into the table, and a suitable solution can be worked out on a phase-wise manner.